Well, I'm currently at the repair shop, as you can see. Tandem smash repair, and yeah, I'm dropping the van off, and then I gotta fucking find my way to the airport, probably take a bus. No idea how I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna learn together. So the bus route, metro station thing, the like map that tells you where you're supposed to go doesn't really work. So I had to like compare it with Google Maps, and I'm on my way to hopefully a bus station. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to catch an Uber, which is probably gonna be more money. We'll see how much money the bus is. Made it to the airport. I did have to check in my bag though, and that cost like 90 bucks, which was not cool, super expensive. Bag was too big and too heavy for the flight. It is what it is. I just have Tonga to Fiji, which I'll probably have to check in, and then the Fiji back here, which I'll probably have to check in, so that's going to be quite expensive. It's like a 360 GoPro. Yeah, I've been vlogging the whole trip. I didn't vlog last night. I was so goddamn tired after all the flights. I got in, I was like, I just want to relax. I was also hangry. You guys, see you back out.
You'll be right, eh?
Have a good day.
Yeah, have a great day, guys. And we're off.
Yeah.
A lot of stray dogs. Hot and humid like Thailand. Very similar to Thailand. Oh man, I still got like another 2 miles, or like a mile and a half maybe, till I get to the cafe. But man, I think I'm gonna hitchhike tomorrow and see some places like the other guys at the hostel. But I really can't wait to talk to some people. Hopefully there's a lot of people at the cafe. Finally made it to the cafe. I'm thirsty, hungry, and I'm sweating like hell. Oh, I'm gonna eat. What's that? Stopped at a little grocery store, got some ramen, 2 eggs. I'm gonna have noodles tomorrow morning for breakfast. It's like, it doesn't feel bad as hard than it should be.
Yeah.
I feel like when I'm down low, I feel like 20 more. 20 more. Come on, Kat, 20 more. So where was that guy you were talking to from?
Yeah.
I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, what the fuck?
I was like, I don't understand what he's saying, but like I know what he's speaking. Whoa.
Yeah, it's good.
That is really sweet. As you can see, the waves crashing behind us, forces of the waves cause water to kind of shoot through small holes, forcing the water upwards into the blowhole. A rock that got pushed from hurricane winds from the ocean to the mainland. You can see how crowded the streets get around 1600 when school gets out. Kids are from all different schools, as you can see from the different uniforms.
I didn't know it was so crowded.
So far, it's pretty good. Yeah. Chicken, got a little kick to it.
It's big. Enjoy.
Enjoy.